interested, it all started with this really weird dream. I don't have the spatula!
You awake?
I hope so.
Good. I'm leaving you permanently. Bye, Jay.
You can't dump me. I'm not wearing any trousers. The thing about being dumped by someone you love is, once you've got over the shock and found your trousers, it dawns on you. You have no idea who you are anymore. As everything you thought you were was part of a reaction to that other person in your life. You have to untangle yourself from the wreckage, start again, decide if you really like Buffy or just watched it. Reset.
You take a massive neck.
I think you should.
All right now.
Just pass it around. Yeah,
It's be like, maybe
Maybe a little bit more into the night.
Yeah, that's
You've got to bring that with me.
like it was huge enough that I was waving above my head and I suddenly worried that I was actually going to touch power lines or something. Yeah, whatever.
Eventually, though, you realise we don't control who we are, it controls us.
We've got a rocking train set.
Wow. A diesel engine?
No, it's electric commuter train.
Amazing.
All the things we overtly do to change ourselves are just for show, accessories to the irremovable polka dot dress that is our personalities. One good way to shake up the old personality is abusing drugs. But I didn't want to replace whoever I was with the typical druggy stereotype.
You alright, mate? You alright?
Ask me how I'm doing. Ask me. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't. No. Ask me how I'm doing.
How you doing?
Don't look at me.
Alright.
The tree is looking at me.
That's good stuff then.
What do you need? Where you going?
What have you got?
I could say what I've got a whole list. The tree is
Well, I'll take everything.
looking at me though, isn't it?
So I made a unique drug experience, the acid marijuana speed slalom.
Oh no. My brain's expanding.
The drugs just lead to the same old patterns.
Yeah!
Coming out, Jay.
No thanks, imaginary voice in my head.
So I tried drinking.
You know I never liked you. I would hate you apart from the fact being in your company acts as self-flagellation. Then again, maybe I'm just jealous you can lick your own balls.
I tried nature. Nature was a nice change. Then I sought a prophet.
It's a long story. So, you want to find a new you. Difficult because you are always there. You've got to lose you, but still be there to find whoever the new you is. My theory is you are who you are. It's a program. You can update bits, moderate your attitude, augment your language with cool phrases.
Hail!
Hail. But you're never going to wake up and just not hate Spag Bol.
I don't hate the Spag Bol.
Everybody hates Spag Bol. Relax. What I'm trying to say is stop trying to reinvent yourself and just improve your personality. Compartmentalise yourself, like Bruce Wayne does with his sexuality. Batman is the penis of Bruce Wayne, his raw sexual energy. But Bruce does the fucking.
So who's Robin?
He's a separate person.
Does he have talking genitalia?
Look, when you just talk to the soothsayer,
Is he any good?
any good, He once predicted a whole run of Neighbours from just one Radio Times.
Where can I find him?
He's over there. Barry? All right. A friend of mine here wants to find himself.
Have you tried Sainsbury's?
What?
Sainsbury's. Statistically, it's the best place to find anyone. You eat?
Yeah.
Good. A coupon here. Get you a 12-inch pizza for the price of 6.
What?
12-inch pizza for the price of 6. I did have one for chicken strips, but I've kept that. You never know when you're going to need chicken strips, do you? Except I do, because I'm the soothsayer. With the chicken strips.
Chicken strips.
You what?
Sorry, I just wanted to say chicken strips.
Their Hawaiian's good too.
All right.
Hiya, what are you doing here?
Oh, it's just 12 inches for the price of 6.
Oh, what do you want?
What, in life?
No, I want your pizza.
Your number?
Is that on the coupon?
In the small print? 11 digits! 11 digits!
So, why'd you give him the pizza coupon?
Girl in there said she fancied him.
Hello? What's going on? Ask me. Ask me. Ask me. Ask me.